One misty, moisty morning, when cloudy was the weather, I chanced to meet an old man, clothed all in leather. He began to compliment, and I began to grin. How do you do, how do you do, how do you do again? One misty, moisty morning, while wandering the seaside, I found an ancient wooden box that washed up with a high tide. Curious, I opened it, and much to my chagrin, now do you know what peered up from within? One misty, moisty morning, while traveling by horseback, I happened on a poor maid all tied up on a haystack. I cut her bonds so gallantly, she kicked me in the shin. So fare thee well, and fare thee well again.